Hello, welcome back to the another session of study of homeopathic Medica. Today we are going to see about medicine Aesculus. Aesculus hippocytarium belongs to plant kingdom. Family is Spinaceae. Its common name is horse chestnut. Persons with hemorrhoidal tendencies and who suffers with gastric, bilious or catarrhal troubles. Mentally, patient is gloomy, very irritable, lose temper easily, gains control very slowly, miserably cross, as seen in Chamomilla. Generalities are fullness in various parts from undue amount of blood, heart, lungs, stomach, brain, pelvis, skin. Venous congestion, especially portal and hemorrhoidal. Mucous membranes of mouth, throat, rectum are swollen, burn, feels dry and raw. Throat has complaints of follicular pharyngitis, violent burning, raw sensation in throat, dryness and roughness of throat, frequent inclination to swallow, with burning, pricking, stinging, dry constricted fecals. Coryza is thin, watery, burning, rawness and sensitive to inhale cold air. Stomach and abdomen complaints are rectum has dryness and heats up, feels as if full of small sticks, knife like pain shoots up in rectum. Hemorrhoids are blind, painful, burning, purplish, rarely bleeds. Rectum is sore with fullness, burning and itching. Constipation is hard, dry stools, difficult to pass with dryness and heat of rectum. Severe lumbosacral backache, stools followed by fullness of rectum and intense pain in anus for hours. Severe dull backache in lumbosacral articulation, more or less constant, affecting sacrum and hips. Back also gives out during pregnancy. Prolapse, leukorrhea when walking or stopping, must sit or lie down. Sensation of heaviness and lameness in back. Paralytic feeling in arms, legs and spine. Aesculus is also prescribed on female complaints which are prolapse of uterus and leukorrhea, which is acrid dark with lumbosacral pain, backache and great fatigue from walking. Aggravations of Aesculus are motion by walking, stooping, or inhaling cold air. Ameliorations are by sitting, resting, or lying down. Okay, here is the end of today. But I promise you to meet again with one another medicine. If you know any other aggravations and ameliorations of Aesculus, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.